The forthcoming iPhone 15 series is anticipated to feature a number of major changes, including something for the cameras, while something intriguing is planned for the Pro models. A normal iPhone 15 will not be left behind and may end up with a 48 megapixels primary snapper. This has now been tipped again. Popular analyst Ming-Chi Kuo has hinted at the presence of a 48 megapixels primary camera for both the iPhone 15 and the 15 Plus, a jump from the non-Pro model's 12 megapixels configuration. To recall, Apple brought this last year, but this was limited to the iPhone 14 Pro models. And if a recent rumor is correct, we will see a new stacked CMOS picture sensor with the iPhone 15, which is claimed to capture more light and hence produce brighter and more detailed photographs. It is speculated that this is achievable because to Sony's efforts to increase CAS manufacturing for Apple by 100 to 120%. This might lead to a shortage of high-end Android phones. The iPhone 15 is also said to contain a hybrid lens with a single glass element and 6 plastic components, as well as an aperture of 1.7, which is supposed to capture up to 20% more light. Although the iPhone 14's f/1.5 aperture may be reduced. A RAW picture is rather huge and may take up a lot of space on your iPhone, so the introduction of a 48 megapixels camera might be amazing for the low-cost iPhones that will be able to capture higher detailed photographs. Nonetheless, it would be nice to see Apple expand its Pro capabilities to non-Pro models. In addition, Apple is likely to incorporate Dynamic Island on the whole iPhone 15 series, and might possibly bring about the USB Type-C connection for all iPhones in 2023. There will very certainly be design tweaks, as well as improvements to performance and battery life. The iPhone 15 series is anticipated in September, although this might be delayed as well since it is a rumor. We will have to wait for official news from Apple, which should emerge shortly. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.